You gotta be real gentle with the meat, you know what I mean? Come on out. Oh! Thing slid out like a baby turtle. Mukbang Mermaid is the name, and freaking eating is my game.
You're going to become so uncomfortable right now that your skin will start to leave your body. It'll be trying to escape. Mukbang Mermaid.
Mukbang Mermaid.
Mukbang Mermaid is definitely in her own lane.
Mukbang.
Y'all, I cannot stop watching Mukbang Mermaid.
Mukbang Mermaid makes you laugh.
Mermaid.
Mukbang Mermaid. She's a mermaid and she does mukbang her way. It's fun. Put it to you that way. It's fun. Strange, but fun. But see, I like strange.
I am Mukbang Mermaid, and I mukbang that way. Hit that subscribe button now, and hit that bell.
Y'all gotta go give Mukbang Mermaid a follow. Definitely one of my top 3 TikTokers. She's so goofy.
You know what time it is? I got my fingers on some spam. Real thick ham. Bubble. You know what time it is? It's time to bust into that spam cam. Oh, Bubbles, I haven't had spam in a while. But it's what I'll be eating today. If you would, put your hands, fins, paws, nubs, whatever you got, put them together. Dear God, it is I, Mukbang Mermaid. Today on the menu, I'm eating spam. It's ham in a can. I once knew a dolphin named Dan. He was real wild. He got washed up on the sand. I said, Dan, I'd help you if I had a hand. But I've only got fins. And he wasn't no kin. So I hit the road, Jack, and I didn't come back no more. I hit the road, Jack, and I didn't go back no more. I love you, God. Amen. All right, my bubble, let's get it in. I've got my knife because the last time I had spam, it was so thick I could barely get it through my gills. Ah! Anybody know what is this thing made out of? I'm gonna stop eating this food. Well, guys, let's try it. Here's to the first bite. Have a bite? Well, here I go. Jeeping jellyfish! That is salty! What the heck? Whoa, that's salty! Now, let's pop the top and make this spam make my body rock. Oh! Look at that. Oh! Thing is juicy! Whoa! Alright. You gotta be real gentle with the meat, you know what I mean? Come on out! Oh! Thing slid out like a baby turtle. Alright. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up, okay, Bubbles? Bubble, be very careful when it comes to knives, okay? You can really hurt yourself. Good to play with knives, man. Now I'm just gonna go straight down the middle, like some fresh Oreos. Oh, I love that cream in the middle. Ooh, I can tell you right now, this ain't gonna last long. Has anybody ever heard of the domino effect? Ah! All right, my bubble, pardon me. Oh, trying to tidy up my area here. I don't know what time Abner gets off today. Put that knife down. Oh, there's my water. Pardon me, Bubble. Are you getting in your water? I will be honest. Nothing competes with a big can of Coke. Coca-Cola. I remember that time I had that Mickey D's. and it had the orange cola. Oh, I don't think I slept for weeks. What's happening right now?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
And good looking. You said it.
Yeah.
You said it yourself. Yep. You heard her? She said, I am fine. Ain't that right? Yeah, you sure did.
Yeah.
Really?
That thing was sweet. Oh, Anna, I'm sorry. You said you wanted some, didn't you? That was so good. All right, my bubble, let me go ahead and get a piece of meat. Oh, I tell you, I be wiggling them right now if I had feet. Let's go. Processed meat. Oh! Why is it so salty? Reminds me of the salt water. So good. Bubble, do you know how do they make Spam? Now, I heard Spam is a delicacy in Hawaii. Is that true? Has anyone ever been to Hawaii? What's your favorite way to eat Spam? Or how do you prepare it? Do you just eat it like me straight out of the can? So good. Hey, where'd my water go? What in the world? How did you get all the way over there? You're not moving, are you, buddy? Pardon me. And that, my bubbles, is how you devour a can of Spam. I love you, Bubble. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, okay? I love you. I see you here every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. A Mukbang Mermaid. A Mukbang my way. 7 o'clock on the dot. I see ya. Do you have a drop top? Never had a drop top, but I did have a conch mobile. It's time for you to put the verdict in. Give me a like. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave me a comment down below. Share. I love you so much. And don't ever forget, nothing is impossible. Go after your dreams. Just join Cameo. Woo! Hey, Bubble, do you want to tell someone happy birthday? Or how about happy anniversary? Well, my Bubble, whatever the occasion, for someone you love, or even a message to yourself from me, book me now. Mukbang Mermaid on Cameo. Cash App Cafe. Send me money at my Cash App. Mukbang Mermaid, and tell me what you want to see me eat. A lot of you have been requesting I eat certain foods, like Jamaican food, stuff like that. Well, inflation is so high, and Abner's pants are so tight, he can't pull out his wallet. That's what he told me. So send me the money on my Cash App. Tell me what you want to see me eat, and I'll eat it, okay? I'll say who sent me the money, and I'll eat it, okay? I love you, Bubbles. Cash App Cafe. Mukbang Mermaid.
Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid.